I have here a piece of packaging from a toy of some kind, and this is kind of sturdy, so we're going to use a piece of that. And I cut out this piece of it with a lot of these teeth on, and I'm going to make this into some icicles for the dollhouse. So first of all, I'm going to take something to put it on, taking some kind of bowl, and I'm going to use some resin for this. Then I'm going to take some of my glitter and I'm going to put it into my resin. And I kind of have a lot of resin, so I want a lot of glitter in there too. And I'm doing this to make my icicle nice and glittery. And I'm just using a white glitter. You can use whatever kind of glitter you like, but this is the one I prefer for my icicle. So I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to take some of this resin. I'm going to mix it a bit more like that. Then I'm just going to take it up here with this toothpick and I'm going to start fill up the So here it is after first time under the UV light, and it already looks like icicles. It still doesn't have anything on the back, but if it's not gonna be viewed from the back side, that really doesn't matter, so you don't need that. So I'm going to work still here on the front, and I'm going to take a little more of my resin. I still have more left, and I'm just taking a tiny bit of it and dabbing it on here and there to make a thicker layer on some of these and make them more uneven, but you can do this just as you like. But I like them to be a little more thick here and there. And you can build it up in layers, so you can do this, then put it under the UV light for 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and then put another layer on and keep working on it until you're happy. So I made 2 of these. The last layer I made, I put in a tiny bit of white soft pastels, not much but a little. So my icicles look like this now, and you can put even more on there if you don't think this is enough. But I think for this, where I'm going to use this is more than enough. So that is one way to make icicles, nice and good looking ones. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and happy crafting.